Termite. Termites are social insects that are known for their ability to break down and digest cellulose, found in plant material. They play a crucial role in ecosystems by recycling dead and decaying plant matter. Termites are often considered pests when they damage wooden structures and crops. They have a caste system, including workers, soldiers, and reproductives, kings and queens. Workers are responsible for foraging, feeding, and building and repairing nests. Soldiers have large jaws and are responsible for defending the colony. Reproductive termites develop wings and leave their colonies in swarms to establish new ones. Some termite species build extensive mounds that can reach several meters in height. Termites communicate through pheromones and can coordinate complex activities, such as building and foraging. They are eusocial insects, similar to ants and bees, with overlapping generations and division of labor. Termites have a mutualistic relationship with microorganisms in their guts that help them digest cellulose. Conservation efforts are not directed at termites, but measures are taken to control them when they become pests. Termites have existed for millions of years and are considered ancient insects. They are an important food source for various animals, including aardvarks and anteaters. Termites are often featured in cultural symbolism and have been associated with hard work and community life.